Welcome to the official Hostinger coupon code channel, your trusted source for verified hosting discounts. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to secure a 20% discount on any Hostinger hosting plan, and more importantly, why the coupon code in my description gives you double the savings compared to what's available elsewhere online. Before we dive in, let's address something important. There are several Hostinger coupon codes circulating right now, including HI10, Blog with BP, and WP Cell. While these are all legitimate codes, they each carry just a 10% discount. The exclusive coupon code I've provided in the description box below is a specially negotiated 20% discount, making it the highest available deal for new Hostinger customers. To get started, scroll down to the description and select the link that corresponds to your country. I've organized these links by currency and language to make sure the checkout experience is as smooth as possible for viewers worldwide. Clicking your link will take you directly to Hostinger's official website with the discount preloaded. From there, navigate to the top menu and select Products or Services. This will open Hostinger's full range of hosting solutions, from shared and cloud hosting to WordPress and VPS plans. My discount code is valid across all of these options without exception. For the purpose of this walkthrough, I am navigating to the VPS hosting section. Hostinger's VPS lineup is divided into 4 tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'll be selecting the KVM8 plan. As soon as we reach the checkout page, you'll see the 20% discount has been automatically applied. There's nothing extra you need to do. A quick but important reminder: to ensure the discount registers properly, please use an email address that hasn't previously been associated with a Hostinger account. New accounts are required to unlock this promotional rate. If you found this walkthrough useful, a like and a subscribe goes a long way in helping this channel reach more people looking for genuine savings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.